Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the font color of text boxes in your app projects and prototypes on Uizard. So let us dive into this. So let's navigate to the screen of the given app prototype. I will go with this one here, with this example text here, or we can go also with, I don't know, these here for example, right? So let me just use this one here, right? So double click into the text and then you will see this color box here above the text. Click into it and choose the color from the color picker here. You may insert also the hex color code, adjust the opacity here, or use one of these preset colors here. So you can go also one of these vibrant colors, pastel, darker colors, and yeah, that's actually it. So as you can see, I just changed the color of that text box here in that screen, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.